Remember, in our younger days, there was only analog controls for processes. And so one of my first jobs when I graduated was a place called Goodyear Tire and Rubber, actually in Niagara Falls, New York. Okay, it was actually Grand Island. A plant that was built in the 40s, and my job was to implement what was called a programmable logic controller, a control system, a computing system into this, at that time, 40-year-old plant. Now, for those of you who have been exposed to manufacturing operations, what typically happens is you have, I call it episodic observation by the person who is controlling the process, and periodic intervention, right? If they're not, in the bathroom or, talking about the hockey game or, what's going on in the world. And so processes kind of control like this. They'll charge the reactor, they'll put in the reagents, the catalyst, and then you heat it up, and the process kind of operates like this. And then you hope that they see that, oh man, it's overheating, let me change some dynamic, and I intervene, some intervention with that process. And then it moves in this direction, and they do it again. And ultimately, this is how a process is controlled in an analog world.